settled here, and they're called the shaker. Traditional cushions come in and whip and beat them. But I will. Look like when they're climbing. Let's not do it justice, but I'm literally climbing. Oh my gosh. I don't know where Chad is. He's flat, which is not much help because there's not much flat. So.